Hey everyone, my name is Haley. I'm an adult doll collector, and today I'm going to review the Zuru Mini Brands Create Masterpieces series. So you can get little pieces of our work and frames to go with it. I'm gonna open this and I'm gonna see what I got. Okay, I'm gonna open the capsule. Alright, so I got a total of 5 bags. This is a collector's guide. And I think this is the instructions to how to put things together. So I'm gonna open the first bag, see what I got. Alright, so I have this brown fancy frame, this beige piece here that's supposed to replicate like wood. I think it's for the frame. And this artwork here, I'll tell you what it is supposed to be. Alright, let's open the next bag. Alright, so I got this gold frame. It's the same piece as earlier. It's this beige wooden piece for the frame. And I got this painting. I'll open the next bag. Alright, so this time I got a black frame, a square shaped beige wooden piece, and this piece of artwork. In the next bag, let's see, I got a magnifying glass. It is gold and the handle is brown. Just some instructions for the magnifying glass. I think that's all. I'm gonna open the last bag, see what I got. Judging by these pieces here, it looks like I may have gotten an art easel. It is a beige color. I'll show you how to put it together. Alright, so here's the collector guide. Doesn't say what the name of the painting is, but it does tell you the rarity. So this one is, ooh, oh my god, no, ultra rare. Okay, very nice. Alright, so this one, one with the dog, it's a rare. And then this one, it is a common. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to put these together. Let's see. So this is what it says on the instructions for the frames. Alright, so according to the instructions, I have to peel the backing. Hold on. And it's sticky on the back, so the instructions say take this piece here and you're gonna put it on the back like this. Step 3, you're gonna take this off, and then you're gonna fold the pieces to the wood piece, the picture, and then you're going to just make sure that it's put on really well. Let's see. Oh, I put it on the... Hold on. I put it on the wrong... one. It's this one. Alright, so you just line it up. Fold the pieces. And then you just put it in the frame like this. Alright, so the other one, it's just the same thing. You just line it up with the wood piece. Alright, so now I'm putting this one on the correct one. Peel off the plastic. And then I'm gonna fold this. So the painting should look like this. And then you put it in the frame. So it's supposed to look like this. And it's the same thing for this one. Just take off the backing. Line it up with the square piece. Like this. Fold the edges. The painting should look like this. And then you just put it in the frame like this. I'm gonna show how to put the easel together. Alright, so according to the instructions, you take this piece actually let's see. Let me just make sure I have a... Oh, there we go. I was missing a piece. Alright, so you take this one, this piece right here, and you connect to this. So it should look like this. Then you take the side pieces and you line it up. So like this. Do the same thing for the other one. So you're gonna line it up. So it should look like this. And then you're gonna take this piece and you're gonna put it on the back. Hold on. There we go. This is to hold the art easel. And then this is the shelf to put your art pieces on. So according to the instructions, you just put it like this. And here's the finished easel, and you can take one of the paintings and you can put it on the art easel. So the magnifying glass that I got, I can take a closer look at the painting. Alright, that's all for my review. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, share this video, ring the notification bell for when I post my next video, and leave a comment to let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye.